Hello everyone and welcome. This is day 4 in Hack Rank 30 Days of Code Class versus Instance. As usual, I'm too lazy to read all of this, so I'm gonna let you read this. And actually, if you really have any problems or have any questions, please put them in the comments below. I'll be more than happy to actually answer them if I can. If I can't, we can discuss them, look for them together, and we can learn all of us. As usual, I'm too lazy to read this. I'm going to see if there is comments that actually can help me, and then I'll see. Okay, there's a class of person, and it got an age, and obviously it gets a constructor, counter, and some checks on initial age. Okay, so we're going to look for initial age checks that we need to implement, and then am I old? Am I old? Or your response is okay, increment the person's age. Okay. So yeah, of course I gotta read this again. Okay, so let's see this example. So the first age is -1, so we need to see if the initialization is good or not. So if it's -1, age is not valid, setting age to 0, and if you are 10, then you are young, and if you are 16, that you are young. Age 18, you're young, you're a teenager. Okay, task. Write a person class, age, then the constructor that takes an integer initial age as a parameter. Must assign initial age to after confirming the argument passed as initial age. Okay, let's see what that. Okay, so age, initial age, it's the argument that's going to help us initialize this one. So we're gonna do this. This is a good practice to do this. That age, since we are in the class, so there's no problem. Space, it's a good practice. Then space, then initial age. I hope I didn't miss spell it. Okay. And then write code determining this person's age is old and print the correct statement. Okay, so let's see what makes it an old or young. And here are, yes, am I old? Should perform the following conditional actions. If it's inferior than 13, then it's young. If it's superior than 13 and inferior than 18, it's teenager. Otherwise, you are old. So let's put this. Am I old? Okay. This that age, if it's, so we're going to put what they call it, there's no need anyway. So it is inferior than 13. I need to put spaces for God's sake. Then you are young. Can I put in this? Take this, copy, paste this, and is it written like this? Wait. You are young. Yes, it's written like this. So it starts with a couple U. Space, you are young. Okay, I think we're cool. Semicolon to end the statement, else. If that age is inferior than 18 and that age is superior or equal to 13. Is that right? You are a teenager, right? I'll check this one. Teenager. And else you're old. Age is not valid, setting age to 0. I didn't really see this. You are old, it's just 1 point, right? Yeah, age is superior and equal. Okay, we're done with this one. What if it's not? Okay, we didn't put any check on in here. It just initialize it. So the age needs to be superior than 0, right? Not this one, but initial. Before. No, we just run checks on initial age. Yeah. Age is not valid, setting age to 0. There's just one problem. Do I need to make the checks in here, or am I old? Okay, let's see what the problem statement say. To help you learn by example and complete the challenge, much code is provided for you. Okay, do not remove out of the step code in the editor. Input is handled for you. Just okay. Complete the method definition provided in the editor. Okay. Not a valid initial is passed to the constructor. 4. Age is not valid, setting age to 0. You are young. You are young. This is weird. Why is it put twice? What is choice sentences? Okay. Let's see. I think I missed something on years passes. Year passes should increase the age instance variable by 1. Okay. Let's increase it. This age equal this age. Oh, okay. Space semicolon. Now we're good. Okay. I just don't get it. Why do I have two of them? Okay, let's see the explanation. That may help. It's inferior to 0. Our code must set age to 0, and okay, it must set age to 0. Followed by the young message. 3 years pass and age equal to 3. So we print the young message again. Uh-oh, is not valid message followed by the young message. 3 years pass and age equal 3. 3 years pass. If we can see in here, there is initial age, it's 10. And after a while, 3 years pass, and so we actually should test it twice after 3 years pass and before 3 years pass. Okay, cool. So we need to call this twice. So this, and then we need to increment it. Age equal this, that's age plus 3. We don't need to increment it. No, we don't. All we need is actually test this. We're gonna copy and paste all of this, right? But with a different variable. Let's call it int h2, which is this one. Oh my god, I forgot. Honest mistake. Plus 3. And then we're gonna copy and paste this, but with h2. So we need to remember this. And we need to remember this. Also this. Okay, and we don't need this. So let's test our code and see if it's working or not. Okay, run the code. Initial H. I did something wrong in here. Yeah. Oh, forget about that. If it's inferior than 0, then we need to wrong message. Print n. Okay. We're gonna copy the message they want us to do that. Okay, copy and paste. Right. One more thing. There's 2 instructions in here. We need to set it to 0. Dot h equals 0, and then we do this and this, else we have this instruction, right? One instruction, so we don't need brackets. So let's test our code again. Let's run it. Our test cases is invalid. Why? My output, oh, 4 of them. I don't need this, it's just my code is run twice. Oh, so it says run twice on their code, so I don't need to put any of that. Yeah, what a shame. Okay, let's run. This is what laziness take us to. Should never be lazy like me. Okay, let's see. My code right now is compiler message. Okay, my output is age is not valid. Setting age to 0. This is good. You are young. You are young. Yeah. This is you are young and you are a teenager. Teenager, you are old. Everything's correct except one thing. There's a dot at the end that I didn't add. Okay, let's add this one. Let's add this one. Let's add this one. Let's run our code again. It is still wrong. Why? My output. Okay, you are young, you are young. You are young, but you are a teenager. You are a teenager. Uh-oh, again, A. Oh my god. Okay. You are. Okay, you are young. You are a teenager. A teenager. Let's run our code again. Oh, finally it passes the test case. Finally. Let's now submit the code. Oh, it passes all test cases. Finally. Okay, and now we earned another 30 points. If you liked it, I doubt you do. Please comment anything you think it will be helpful, and thank you for watching. To the next day.